Welcome to the channel. When we talk about health, men's issues are often overlooked, despite the fact that men face a unique set of physical, mental, and lifestyle-related challenges that significantly affect their overall well-being. Men tend to visit doctors less frequently, often ignore early symptoms, and face social pressure to appear strong even when their body is signaling that something is wrong. This lack of attention to self-care and preventive health can lead to serious conditions that go unnoticed until it's too late. Understanding men's health issues is not just about physical strength or muscle building, it's about heart health, hormones, mental balance, lifestyle choices, and emotional awareness. Every aspect of a man's life, from diet to stress management, plays a role in shaping his health today and for the future. One of the biggest concerns in men's health is cardiovascular disease. Heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure are more common in men than women, especially as they age. Lifestyle factors such as smoking, high-fat diets, lack of exercise, and chronic stress play a major role. Many men underestimate their heart risk because they feel fine, but heart disease often develops silently over years. Simple habits like regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and controlling blood pressure can drastically lower this risk. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like omega-3s from fish supports a healthy heart. Avoiding processed foods, reducing salt intake, and quitting smoking can prevent plaque buildup in arteries and improve circulation. Another critical area of concern for men is prostate health. The prostate gland, which helps produce semen, can develop problems as men age. Conditions such as prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, enlarged prostate, and prostate cancer are increasingly common after the age of 50. Early signs often include frequent urination, weak urine flow, or discomfort in the pelvic region. However, many men ignore these symptoms until they worsen. Regular prostate checkups and screenings like PSA, prostate-specific antigen, tests can help detect problems early when treatment is most effective. Maintaining a diet rich in tomatoes, cruciferous vegetables, green tea, and zinc-containing foods has been linked to better prostate health and reduced cancer risk. Mental health is another vital part of men's well-being that is often neglected due to stigma. Men are taught from a young age to suppress emotions and tough it out, leading to unexpressed stress and anxiety. This emotional suppression contributes to high rates of depression and even suicide among men. Stress from work, relationships, or financial pressure can take a severe toll on mental stability. Recognizing that mental health is as important as physical health is essential. Talking to friends, family, or therapists, practicing mindfulness, and getting enough rest are powerful tools for emotional balance. Physical activity, particularly outdoor exercise, helps release endorphins that naturally elevate mood and reduce anxiety. Hormonal balance also plays a key role in men's health. Testosterone, the primary male hormone, influences muscle mass, energy, mood, and libido. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to symptoms like fatigue, decreased motivation, and weight gain. Lifestyle factors such as lack of sleep, poor diet, and high stress accelerate this decline. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes strength training, adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, and limited alcohol can support hormone balance. Foods rich in zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D such as eggs, nuts, fish, and leafy greens help maintain optimal testosterone levels. Obesity is another growing issue that affects millions of men worldwide. Modern lifestyles, dominated by desk jobs, fast food, and digital screens, have led to weight gain and poor metabolic health. Obesity increases the risk of diabetes, heart disease, joint pain, and even certain cancers. Regular exercise and mindful eating are the foundation of a healthy weight. Men should aim for a mix of strength training and cardiovascular workouts at least 5 days a week. Small lifestyle changes like choosing stairs over elevators or walking instead of driving short distances make a big difference over time. Sexual health also deserves attention. Erectile dysfunction, often thought of as just a bedroom issue, is actually an early warning sign of cardiovascular disease or hormonal imbalance. It can also stem from psychological stress or poor lifestyle choices. Maintaining good circulation through regular physical activity and a balanced diet can prevent these problems. Open communication with partners and consulting healthcare professionals help address both the physical and emotional sides of sexual health. It's important to remember that seeking help for such issues is not a sign of weakness but an act of taking responsibility for your health. Sleep, often undervalued, plays a powerful role in men's physical and mental performance. Chronic sleep deprivation lowers testosterone levels, impairs memory, weakens immunity, and increases the risk of obesity. Many men sacrifice sleep for work or entertainment, but over time, this imbalance catches up. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night helps the body repair itself, balance hormones, and sharpen focus. Avoiding screens before bed, maintaining a regular sleep schedule, and keeping the room dark and quiet improves sleep quality significantly. Addiction is another area where men are disproportionately affected. Whether it's alcohol, nicotine, or drug abuse, addiction damages the body's organs, affects relationships, and destroys mental clarity. The culture of social drinking and boys will be boys mentality often normalizes harmful habits. Recognizing early warning signs and seeking help is crucial. Counseling, support groups, and therapy can help men regain control over their health and rebuild their lives. Cutting down on alcohol and quitting smoking drastically improve heart and lung function, energy levels, and life expectancy. Men's health is also influenced by stress levels, which have skyrocketed in today's fast-paced world. The pressure to succeed, support families, and meet societal expectations often leads to chronic stress. This constant mental strain affects sleep, digestion, immunity, and even fertility. Stress management techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, spending time in nature, and hobbies like reading or music can be life-changing. Taking breaks, setting boundaries, and learning to say no are essential for mental peace. Emotional resilience comes from self-awareness and giving yourself permission to rest. Another often ignored aspect of men's health is digestive health. Men are more likely to suffer from acid reflux, constipation, or ulcers due to irregular eating habits, stress, and high consumption of processed foods or caffeine. Gut health plays a major role in immunity and mood regulation, including fiber-rich foods, probiotics like yogurt, and fermented foods such as sauerkraut can support digestion and reduce bloating. Avoiding late-night meals, chewing food slowly, and staying hydrated help maintain a healthy gut. A strong digestive system improves nutrient absorption, boosts energy, and even enhances mental focus. Hair loss and skin health are also key concerns for men, especially with age. While genetics play a role in hair thinning, poor diet, stress, and hormonal imbalances can worsen it. Maintaining scalp hygiene, eating foods rich in biotin and omega-3s, and reducing stress can slow down hair loss. Skin care is equally important. Regular cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection prevent premature aging and acne. Men often ignore skin care, assuming it's unnecessary, but healthy skin boosts confidence and reflects internal health. As men age, bone and joint health become crucial. Conditions like arthritis and osteoporosis, often considered women's issues, can affect men too. Weight-bearing exercises like walking, squats, and resistance training strengthen bones and prevent muscle loss. Calcium and vitamin D intake are vital through sunlight exposure, dairy, and fortified foods. Avoiding excessive alcohol and smoking further supports bone density. Staying physically active not only prevents joint stiffness but also enhances overall mobility and independence in later years. Cancer prevention is another vital aspect. Besides prostate cancer, men are at risk for lung, colon, and testicular cancers. Early detection saves lives. Regular screenings, colonoscopies, and self-examinations are critical preventive measures. Lifestyle changes, avoiding smoking, limiting red meat, staying active, and eating antioxidant-rich foods lower cancer risks significantly. Paying attention to small warning signs like unexplained weight loss, persistent cough, or changes in bowel habits can lead to early diagnosis and better outcomes. Reproductive health extends beyond fertility. Men's reproductive systems are sensitive to lifestyle choices, environmental toxins, and chronic stress. Sperm quality and count decline due to heat exposure from laptops, tight clothing, or smoking. A diet rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, selenium, and zinc improves sperm health. Staying active, maintaining healthy body weight, and avoiding steroids or performance-enhancing drugs also support reproductive function. Fertility is not only a female concern. Men's habits play a major role in conception success. Men's immune systems can weaken due to poor lifestyle habits, lack of sleep, or nutrient deficiencies. Building a strong immune system requires a balanced diet rich in vitamins A, C, D, and zinc, along with regular exercise and stress management. Natural immunity boosters like garlic, turmeric, citrus fruits, and green tea help protect the body from infections. Regular medical checkups and vaccinations keep diseases in check and ensure long-term resilience. Men's health isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about building a life where physical vitality, emotional balance, and long-term well-being work together. A big part of men's health depends on preventive habits. Many men delay doctor visits until symptoms become severe, which often leads to late detection of diseases like hypertension, diabetes, or prostate problems. Regular screenings, blood tests, and checkups might sound routine, but they can literally save years of life. Awareness is the first line of defense. Understanding what's normal for your body, like energy levels, sleep quality, libido, and mood, helps catch early warning signs before they turn into chronic issues. Diet is another cornerstone of men's health. The modern lifestyle filled with fast food, processed snacks, and sugary drinks slowly erodes internal balance. A diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy fats fuels energy and protects the heart. Reducing processed meats, salt, and alcohol lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which are among the top killers of men globally. Hydration plays a quiet but crucial role too. Water supports muscle performance, hormonal balance, and mental clarity. Small changes like swapping soda for water or adding greens to each meal make big differences over time. Physical activity is not just about building muscle or achieving a specific physique. Regular movement improves circulation, stabilizes hormones, and releases endorphins that fight stress. Men who exercise consistently have stronger immune systems, better heart health, and lower risk of depression. Strength training combined with aerobic exercise gives the best results. Even 30 minutes a day of brisk walking, cycling, or resistance workouts can transform energy levels and focus. What matters most is consistency, creating a lifestyle rather than chasing short bursts of fitness motivation. Sleep often goes unnoticed in conversations about men's health. Many men sacrifice rest for work, entertainment, or late-night scrolling, but chronic sleep deprivation affects testosterone production, immune defense, and mental sharpness. Quality sleep helps regulate stress hormones and supports muscle recovery. Setting a sleep routine, limiting caffeine, and keeping devices away before bed all help reset the body's natural rhythm. A well-rested man is more productive, emotionally balanced, and resilient. Mental health is equally critical. Cultural expectations often push men to stay strong, hide emotions, or avoid vulnerability, which leads to bottled-up stress, anger, and anxiety. Over time, these emotions contribute to burnout and even heart problems. Learning to talk about feelings, seeking therapy when needed, and practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or journaling help maintain inner balance. Emotional health is not weakness, it's strength. A stable mind supports clear decision-making, healthy relationships, and overall well-being. Hormonal health deserves attention too. Testosterone levels naturally decline with age, but poor sleep, inactivity, and unhealthy eating accelerate that decline. Low testosterone can cause fatigue, low libido, weight gain, and mood changes. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep help maintain hormonal stability. In some cases, medical consultation is needed to rule out underlying conditions like thyroid imbalance or metabolic syndrome. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death among men. High cholesterol, high blood pressure, and sedentary behavior are major contributors. Preventing heart problems means keeping weight under control, quitting smoking, managing stress, and staying active. Omega-3 fats, found in fish and flax seeds, support heart health, while reducing trans fats and processed oils protects arteries. Regular cardiovascular workouts strengthen both the heart and lungs, reducing long-term risk. Prostate health is another concern many men ignore until later in life. Regular screening for prostate-specific antigen, PSA, and paying attention to urinary changes are essential. Diets rich in tomatoes, berries, cruciferous vegetables, and green tea may support prostate function. Avoiding excessive alcohol and maintaining a healthy weight also help. Early detection is key. Most prostate issues can be treated effectively when caught early. If this video helped you understand men's health better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, science-based health guides made to keep you strong, balanced, and healthy for life.